This is the Banker's Box multi-pack of medium boxes, and they measure 14 inches by 15 inches by 18 inches. And this is perfect if you're moving, for your home, or for your office too. And it also is a tape-free design, so you don't have to worry about having tape. All you have to do is fold it. And you can fold it as well as unfold it too and reuse this over and over again. And it also has a quick lift-off lid, which you can easily take off and put back as you choose. And again, since it doesn't have a tape design, you're not going to have to mess it up by taping and then also cutting the box open. So it's going to be very durable as well. And it also has handles here too. So you're able to hold it and carry it around wherever you so choose. And it's also very durable as well. And this is also made in the USA. And it also has strong double-walled construction too. Very strong and durable. This is also perfect for when you're moving. You're able to differentiate what the contents is as well as what room it belongs to. Let's say kitchen, your bedroom, bedroom 2, basement, attic, garage, and so forth. And you can even mark if it's fragile. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.